When you talk about 11,000, those are not frontline healthcare workers.
Video surfacing Friday showing UCP MLA Devinder Tour calling 11,000 healthcare workers to be cut by the government, not part of the front line, and that
They will be replaced. They will be replaced by the employer.
the comments by the Calgary Falcon Ridge MLA were made during a media roundtable Thursday and made public by the NDP. The party wouldn't disclose who sent them the video. Solidarity! The comments come after hundreds took part in wildcat strikes Monday here at the Foothills Hospital and healthcare facilities across the province, protesting the cuts. AUPE Vice President Bobby Joe Barodi says these comments add insult to injury.
Quite honestly, it's disgusting and it's shameful.
To essentially denigrate the importance of these workers to the healthcare system is not going to respond to the concerns that Albertans have about the quality of healthcare.
MRU political scientist Lori Williams points to criticism surrounding contracted workers in a health crisis.
One of the reasons that long-term care facilities are so susceptible to infection by COVID is because low-paid healthcare workers or people working in those facilities are working part-time at multiple facilities trying to cobble together a living.
City News reached out to the Minister of Health for response, his office issuing a statement saying changes in staffing will be mainly change of employer rather than overall net reductions in employment. Any reductions will be managed through attrition as much as possible.
I would ask, the minister, I would ask MLA Tour, how would you like to have your job cut and then have it offered back to you at perhaps half the wage and without any of the benefits?
The UCP says it won't be contracting out any more services during the pandemic. Additional cuts are expected to start in 2022 and end by 2024.
Whether it's job loss today or it's job loss tomorrow, it is still job loss. And it's still ultimately the privatization of our public healthcare system.
In Calgary, Taylor Brott, City News.